Hi friends, I'm Gastro Guru aka Prashant Shukla. Welcome to Gastro Guru Kitchen. Today for you I'm going to make Greek Tzatziki sauce. So this Tzatziki sauce is a yogurt and cucumber based sauce. You use Greek yogurt, add some garlic, cucumbers, salt and pepper, olive oil, and maybe a little bit of dill, and so it tastes fantastic and it goes very well with souvlaki, gyros, kebabs, and even with vegetables. So let's get started. Alright friends, so let's go over the ingredients for the Greek tzatziki sauce. So here I have English cucumber, which I took the ends off, and I'm going to peel it, grate it, and then put some salt in it and let it be for 10 minutes. Then you have fresh dill, which I'm going to chop. You have salt, you have 2 cloves of minced garlic, you have half a lemon, you have black pepper, olive oil, and then I'm going to use about 2.5 to 3 cups of nice thick Greek yogurt. And this yogurt is very important because it doesn't have much moisture in it and it's nice, dry and thick. It's almost like a cream. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start peeling the cucumber and then shredding it. Alright, so start peeling the English cucumber, and you can either go this way or you can go this way. For me it's easier this way. Some people they like to leave the skin on. I like to peel it. So that'll take less than a minute. Alright, so the English cucumber is almost peeled. Alright, and then we're going to dispose of the peel out of the way. Alright, so now we're going to grate the English cucumber. I'm going to make some room for myself, and then here we go. And I'm using this side because I want like longer grates. And once we're done with that, we'll come back, okay? Alright friends, so as you can see our English cucumber has been grated, and we use this because it's got less seeds and it works well in making the tzatziki sauce. So this I'm going to transfer to a bowl. Alright, so now we have the English cucumbers all shredded in the bowl, and then to that I'm going to add some salt. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. And then what we're going to do is mix it with our hand so that the salt totally coats the shredded cucumber nicely. And then we're going to leave it for about 10 minutes. After that, what we're going to do is, there'll be liquid at the bottom, and so we're going to drain this liquid in a cheesecloth or a napkin. Okay, let's set this aside for a few minutes, and then in the meantime what we're going to do is we're going to finely chop the dill, because this is going to make it taste excellent. Alright, some room here, grab the dill and roughly chop it. You want to make sure that it's not, the leaves are not really big, otherwise when you eat the tzatziki sauce is going to come in your mouth, and that's the last thing you want. So basically I'm finally chopping it, and if you find a sprig like this which is big, you can just take it off. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now let's see how the cucumber is coming along. And we're going to soon find out how much liquid is in there. So bear with me. I'm grabbing another bowl, and then I'm going to put this cloth on top, and then we're going to add the English cucumber that we had set aside with salt in it. And then, once we squeeze the cheesecloth or the napkin, you'll see how much liquid is in there. And we don't want this, we want this to be really dry. Alright, so we're going to gather the sides, and if you don't have it, cheesecloth or towel like this, then use a very thick, high quality paper towel. See, as you can see, I'm squeezing the liquid out, and I'll show you how much liquid was in there. Oh yeah, you can see it dripping. Yeah, you don't want any of that liquid from the cucumber in a tzatziki sauce, otherwise the yogurt's going to become really thin and it's not going to look nice and creamy. One more squeeze. All right. See that? See how much more is draining? All right, so that looks good. I'm gonna move this out of the way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wipe off all the liquid that's spilled out, because we want to work in a clean, dry environment. So I'm just going to clean that out. And then I have a bowl here in which we're going to make the tzatziki sauce. So let's open this and take the cucumber out of the cheesecloth into the bowl. Okay, so that's done, and now you can see how this is turned into a thick dry bowl. So now I'm going to start adding other ingredients to make the tzatziki sauce. The first ingredient being Greek yogurt. I'm using Fage yogurt. You can use any good quality Greek yogurt. So make some room here, and I'm going to add about 2.5 to 3 cups. You can see how thick it is, and that's what I like about the Greek yogurt, and only you should use that in this recipe to make the Greek tzatziki sauce. Okay, maybe a little more. And then, if need be, we can always add more. So that's your yogurt, and it's kind of whipped, thick but whipped. So I'm going to just mix it with the cucumber. So what's going to happen is it's going to get nicely homogenized and mixed with the yogurt and the cucumber. You want to make sure that each and every piece of cucumber slice is covered with the yogurt. Oh yeah, baby. That's going to look awesome. You can see how thick it is. Look at that. And that's what we are looking for. Now, the next thing that we are going to add to that is 2 cloves of minced garlic. And you have to mince it so that, you know, when you're eating the sauce, you don't get all these chunks of garlic in your mouth. So the garlic's in there. Next thing I'm going to do is add the dill. We're going to add some now, and then if need be, we'll add the rest. Next thing we're going to add is salt. Now there was some salt in the cucumber, so not too much, but you still need some, because remember the liquid that went out, we drained out from the English cucumber, took away some of the salt as well. Give this a toss. Then the next thing I'm going to add is some crushed black pepper, because you do need some heat. I've seen people that add paprika or red chili powder. I don't like that. I'm going to add just the crushed black pepper. And then, you know, we give it a taste and see if we need more. So look at that. You have the garlic, you have the dill. And it's beginning to look awesome. I'll mix everything up nicely. Next thing I'm going to add a little bit of the olive oil. Not too much, but you know, I want to drizzle some because that's going to also add flavor to it. Alright. So now we have the olive oil in there. It also helps emulsify the whole tzatziki sauce with all the ingredients that are in there. Look at that, how nice it's looking already. Next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon. Never use, you know, the bottled lemon juice or lime juice. Use the real stuff, okay? Give it a bit of a squeeze. We don't want to make it too sour, just a little bit. Okay? And then I'm going to mix it all up. Look at that. How awesome that looks. Right, so we are going to mix it for a minute more and then we'll come back. And then you will see the final product. Alright folks, so there you have it. Delicious Greek tzatziki sauce that we'll be using, you know, with kebabs, with souvlaki. I'm going to make souvlaki later on, so we're going to use that with pita bread and souvlaki. We can use it with vegetables, shish kebabs, and so many different things. So please go to Gastro Guru Kitchen, my website, my channel. My channel on YouTube is called Gastro Guru. So please go and look at the recipe and a lot of other recipes. And do like, subscribe, and share. And bon appetit. And thank you for watching.